How to link your account in Sausage Man. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Sausage Man and want to link your account, then it helps protect your game progress and make it easier to recover your data if you switch devices or reinstall the app. First of all, open the Sausage Man app and sign into your account. Once you're inside the main lobby page, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top right corner from the lobby screen. In the pop-up, click Settings. From the Settings menu, go to the top right corner and tap on this little gear icon with a profile icon in it. Just click on that and click on Account. Inside this Account Security Center, select the account you want to link or bind. I've already linked with my Google account. So if you see the bind option right next to Google account, you can tap on that and enter your Google account's credentials. If you want to go ahead and link with your account such as Facebook or TapTap, choose the option right underneath. There's no Facebook option over here, just TapTap bind option. So go ahead and tap on it, or whichever option you want to link with, just make a selection and then go ahead and sign in with your selected account's credentials. Since I've selected the TapTap option, I'm going to have to type in the email or phone number followed by the account's password to link with the existing TapTap account. If you don't have the TapTap account, you can go ahead and create one. But if you do, go ahead and enter your email and then your password and finally click on Login. Soon after you do that, if you have your credentials correct for whichever account option you've selected, you will be able to link your account in Sausage Man. So that's how it's done. Your game progress will now be associated with your chosen login method, making it easier to sign in and recover your account in the future. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.